To create the headband, you're going to take one piece of stretch fabric and cut it 6 inches wide by 16 inches long. Make sure your fabric is extra stretchy. You can even use a spare t-shirt or something like that if you don't have any fabric on hand. Your first step in assembling your headband is to fold it in half hot dog style and pin along the long top edge. You're going to sew it with either a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine with a ballpoint needle or using a serger. Once your fabric is sewn, it's time to flip it right side out. After your fabric is right side out, lay your seam line in the center of your tube. This is going to be the back edge of your headband, and it's also going to give your buttons more durability. From here, you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style, and sew and pin along that short edge. This is going to create the tube that's going to essentially be your headband. Once the short edge of your headband is sewn, it is basically complete and ready for wear. Feel free to try it on to make sure it's comfortable before adding your buttons. To get the correct button placement, measure 1.5 inches in from your back seam line and place your buttons there. In this case, the larger the button, the better, because it will make it easier for your elastics to wrap around them when you're in a hurry. Once your buttons are sewn in place, your headband is ready.